former Delhi cricketer and Director of Cricket Operations with the J&K Cricket Association, Mithun Manas, has filed his nomination for the President's post of the BCCI. The 45-year-old has emerged as the front-runner to succeed Roger Binny as he is expected to be elected unopposed. The BCCI, remember, will elect its new president and office bearers next Sunday on the 28th of September. Listen into these reactions.
Mithun Manas has also filed his nomination just in front of me. So I do not know who else will be filing for the post of president. While submitting their representations, there is no criteria for cricket background, non-cricket background. Everybody who has been entrusted or nominated by their respective state, they can file their representation. So from the representations or from the representatives, the persons who are in the list, final list, they are eligible to file for office bearers or two posts of GCs.
नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने आए एक जो है कैंडिडेट्स का पैनल तैयार हुआ, इसमें मिथुन को प्रेसिडेंट के लिए, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के लिए मेरे, देवजीत सैकिया जी सेक्रेटरी और ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी प्रभतेज, ट्रेजरर के लिए रघुराम भट्ट और गवर्निंग काउंसिल जो और एपेक्स काउंसिल मेंबर्स के लिए जो नाम तय हुए उसके नॉमिनेशन है। तो एक नई बॉडी बन रही है अगले कार्यकाल के लिए। वो प्लेयर हैं तो वो उनको अध्यक्ष बनाना तय किया।
My colleague Rika joins us with more details. Rika, it seems now that Mithun Manas will perhaps be the BCCI president as he might be elected unopposed.
Yes, Mithun Manas will be elected unopposed. There will be no other nomination for the post of BCCI president, though the nomination filing process will end around 6 o'clock this evening. But I can confirm that there will be no other person filing for the post of BCCI president, which means that the former Delhi batter, who's also played in as many as 3 IPL teams, will become the next president of BCCI. To talk a little bit about him, he has played nearly 2 decades of domestic cricket, 157 matches, nearly 10,000 first-class runs. And yes, he has been a very well-known figure in the Delhi circuit. But, we really did not think of him becoming BCCI president. It has rather come as a surprise to everyone who were talking about the likes of Harbhajan Singh, Kiran More, and even former Karnataka spinner Raghuram Bhatt. But finally, it seems that Mithun Manas's name was decided in a very high-profile meeting 2 days ago, and he has suddenly been brought into the picture, pitchforked now to take over the BCCI's top post. He'll be succeeding Roger Binny, who was the president of BCCI in the previous term, but the post fell vacant after Mr. Binny turned 70 in July, and since that time, Rajiv Shukla had taken over as the interim president. But now on 28th of September, which is next Sunday, Mithun Manas will become the new president of BCCI.